Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2008 Ford Edge. Disconnect the negative battery terminal now to prevent shorts. I will walk you through simple steps, from lifting the vehicle to removing the belt and unplugging electrical connectors. Follow along as I explain how to support the car safely, label wires, remove mounting bolts, swap the alternator, and test charging so you drive away with confidence. In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2008 Ford Edge. Use a serpentine tool to release tension and carefully slide the belt free. I'll guide you through disconnecting the electrical plug and the main charging cable, and I'll show how to support the alternator as you remove the mounting bolts. Keep parts organized and note bolt positions to make reinstallation quick and straightforward. In this video, I will show how to replace alternator on 2008 Ford Edge. Start by positioning the new alternator and hand-threading bolts to ensure proper alignment. Then torque bolts to spec, reconnect the charging cable and electrical connector, and reroute the serpentine belt, ensuring proper tension. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and run the engine to verify charging voltage and listen for unusual noises before lowering the car safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.